What's up, squad? If you're tired of seeing those average 10% hosting a coupons everywhere and you want the real maximum discount possible right now, this is the video you've been waiting for. I'm about to show you step by step how to stack an extra 20% off using my exclusive referral code. Yes, 20% instead of the usual 10%. Let's get you that biggest saving today. First thing, drop down to the video description. I've pinned my personal hosting a referral link at the very top. Below it, you'll also find ready to use versions for India, USA, UK, Europe, Brazil, Indonesia, and many more, written in the local language with prices already displayed in your currency. So there's zero confusion. Pick your country's link and click it. Boom. You are now shopping on Hostinger's official site with my 20% referral discount preloaded. From the homepage, click the Products and Services button right at the top of the navigation menu. This opens the complete catalog, everything from premium shared hosting to powerful VPS and the fast growing self hosted N8 and automation servers. Important, this 20% referral saving works on every single plan. Hostinger sells no exclusions, no fine print tricks. To prove it works flawlessly, I'm going to walk through purchasing one of the self-hosted N8 and VPS plans live. Here are the options on screen. KVM1 starter, KVM2 most popular, KVM4 and KVM8 high performance. Today I am choosing KVM2 because it delivers excellent resources at a very reasonable price after the discount. Click your preferred plan, proceed to checkout, and watch right there in the summary. You'll see referral discount 20% already deducted. Crystal clear, no manual code entry needed. You just scored way more savings than the average shopper. Enjoy building with Hostinger. If this quick guide just put extra money back in your pocket, smash that like button, drop a quick cut 20% in the comments, and subscribe plus turn on notifications so you catch every fresh referral link and limited time deal the second it drops. Appreciate you all. Let's keep saving big together. See you next time.